Skywatch Media News for January the 12th, 2021. There is something quite extraordinary taking place in the sky above our planet that is becoming increasingly difficult to explain. It has to do with the increasing numbers of large asteroid close encounters, as well as enormously explosive meteor events. In the past few months, large fireballs and meteors have penetrated the Earth's protective atmosphere, creating immense flashes of light across the horizon, some causing sonic booms that reverberate across the Earth's surface, a few of them creating seismic-like shaking. A couple of these solar bodies were reported to have impacted the Earth, creating shock waves in their wake. Some of the incredible events that I refer to have taken place most recently, each of them sparking a great deal of controversy. On December 27th, a mysterious flaming rock was reported to have crashed into a body of water in southwest Michigan called Allegan Lake, which is located in Allegan County. Although there does not appear to be any images of the fiery meteor, there are numerous reports from Allegan County residents who profess to have witnessed strange events taking place at the same time that the object was reported to have crashed into the lake. A resident of Allegan County stated on Facebook that on Sunday, December the 27th, 2020, a large fireball came from the sky before crashing near Lake Allegan, and inquired as to whether anyone else had seen the object. Here is a compilation of the most interesting replies to this extremely unusual event. Residents reported that their lights flickered or momentarily went out in the town of Allegan, located just to the south of the lake. Others claimed that there was a bright flash of light followed by a loud noise near the highway heading into Allegan. Another individual said that their parents and neighbors saw a light moving quickly across the woods. Other residents said that they witnessed a peculiar purple and greenish color coming from the sky, along with a high-pitched squealing sound just prior to crashing. Of all those who posted replies, the most interesting came from an individual who indicated that officials were pulling a large unidentified object from the lake on the morning following the crash. As of now, no one really knows what happened on Lake Allegan on December the 27th, whether it was a meteor event, or a UFO incident, or a crude joke. It remains a mystery. But here is something interesting that happened about 3 years ago that may provide a bit of curiosity to the recent Lake Allegan incident. On January 16th of the year 2018, a meteorite stunned the world when it blazed through the sky before plummeting into a frozen lake in southeast Michigan. The rock, which was 6 foot wide, fragmented and then illuminated the sky while traveling at 30,000 miles per hour. The footage of the video went viral around the world. The Michigan meteorite impact in 2018 was so immense that it produced a 2.0 magnitude earthquake according to the U.S. Geological Survey. The pieces of the rock were so large that they could be tracked by weather systems that are used to predict rain and hail. The meteorite that fell to Earth in 2018 is referred to as the Hamburg meteorite. This space rock is special because chunks of the meteorite fell onto a frozen lake and were recovered quickly. The fragments that were recovered are extraterrestrial in origin, referred to as H4 chondrites, of which only 4% of all discovered meteorites on Earth are of this type. They contain more than 2,000 organic materials, some dating back to the early days of the solar system. The appearance of the rocky space invaders is noteworthy because most of them are not associated with the annual meteor showers which are comprised of comet dust fragments. Rather, many of them are originating from the Kuiper Belt, which is located in the darker and more distant region of the solar system. It's quite possible that the object that was seen crashing into Lake Allegan could have been a large meteorite similar to the 2018 incident. But if the most recent story is true, then whatever was seen falling to Earth in Allegan County, Michigan on December 27th of 2020 will most likely remain unknown to the general public, at least for the time being. On December 27th of last year, the same date that an eyewitness reported seeing a large object crash into Lake Allegan, an object originally thought to have been a giant meteor burned up in the sky over West Virginia. The object emitted orange light into the atmosphere, appearing to fall vertically towards the Earth's surface above the region of the Alleghenies. The sky phenomenon became one of the hottest debated subjects among cosmic experts and theorists alike. So what did the West Virginia video actually show as dropping out of the sky on December the 27th? UFO investigators speculated that the burning object was weird, describing the glowing phenomenon as some type of unidentified aircraft. The American Meteor Society indicated that the object could not have been a meteor or bolide because it was noticeable for nearly 2 minutes. And most meteors fall through the sky in a matter of seconds. The FAA claims that the phenomenon was actually a contrail produced by an aircraft flying at high altitudes, where it emits exhaust fumes from its engines, and where the hot gases combine with the cold moisture in the atmosphere, as shown in this GIF image. There were no reports that the object, as huge as it appeared to be, had impacted the ground, in which case it must have either disintegrated in the atmosphere prior to impact, or it was actually a contrail, as the FAA claimed. Of course, whatever it may have actually been will depend on what you wish to believe. Here is something that is quite real. There is a growing concern in the scientific community that a number of asteroids are approaching our world, space rocks so large that they cannot be controlled by planetary defense systems, irrespective of the planning that has been implemented to protect us from future encounters. With each passing, they seem to get closer, as was the case when an asteroid named 2021 AS2 came within 66,900 miles on January the 9th. The asteroid was first observed by Mount Lemmon Observatory in Arizona on January the 8th, one day before its close approach. The asteroid, belonging to the Apollo group, has an estimated diameter of between 10 and 25 feet, and it flew past the Earth at a speed of 54,800 miles per hour. This is the third known asteroid to fly by Earth within one lunar distance since the start of the new year. As you look up, know that the sky is the motivator of the spiritual soul within us. The sky encourages us to rise above ourselves and to be strong regardless of our situation. Stay safe, everyone. Thanks for watching. And remember to keep looking to the sky.